Hello everyone, this is Ariel Jones and I'm here to present my final metaphor for our online education course. The metaphor that I chose to carry on through the semester has been the mountains, because I actually come from a town where there are no mountains. So moving up to Idaho and seeing them pretty much every single day has really been an insight and inspiration for me. So I really just wanted to take a step back and look at them and really look at every part of them. Now, for my mountains in general, I broke them into 3 points, being the base, the middle, and the peaks. The base I've set aside as my doctrine, which would be my personal foundations. And from those foundations, I'm able to build upon my principles. And then my principles connect the tools that I use with the foundation that I have formed. And I feel that all of this together really makes a great metaphor because it gives us the strength and the foundation that we need to build upon, but it also gives us the tools. And even though the tools may be the fruits of our labor that everyone sees, it's still no more important than the principles that we utilize from the doctrine and from our foundations. I also noticed this metaphor reflected throughout many of the things that I learned in this course. One of which was education as a whole, and I saw the foundation of teachers, students, and parents working together along with their school districts in achieving an overall quality of education for their students. Because I feel that as educators, we need to understand that we're not running this course alone and we're not doing this alone, that we have each other to build upon, and that we have, there's so many tiers to this, and it's not just, one-man army trying to conquer this education mountain on their own, but instead we work with one another, strengthening our foundation, strengthening the school districts and educators who we're put with in order to give our students a quality form of education. And I really liked this, and it has really helped me grow throughout this semester. And I just kind of wanted to take a step back and look at some of the impactful quotes and subjects that I've seen, because I've really been helped and I've really been refined in what I thought an educator's duty was, and what this calling needs. And I've been so grateful for that. And I know that I have so much more to learn, so much to gain from more study about this subject, but it's really brought out a lot of great things for me, and I really hope I've been able to share some of it with you too. But thanks for watching this, and I hope everyone has a great rest of their college experience.